Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to initialize variables with the assignment operator. This is very closely related to the last episode. So it is common to initialize a variable to an initial value in the same line as it is declared. So what does that mean? When you declare a variable, you say variable, some variable, and then you can do it like this. This would be an example of an initialized variable. They also say sometimes it's common to initialize a variable to an initial value in the same line. So what does that mean? So some var is going to be equal to something. And so this is what they're trying to describe right now. This is called initializing it. This would be initializing it, and this is initializing it with an initial value. Initializing with a different value. If you want to make that actually right, you would want to make sure the variable is different, because otherwise you're initializing it twice. I'm pretty sure that if you were to initialize it a second time with no value, then if you were to log it, and then you were going to do some var, that would mean that it would be, oh, it still keeps the initial value. That's interesting. So anyways, so you assign the variable, and then this is signing it up with an initial value. So they want you to define a variable a with a variable and initialize it to 9. So var a is equal to 9. I'm pretty sure that's what this is about. Cool. I hope that me going into a little bit more depth on what it meant to initialize a variable and set an initial value was useful. If you guys thought it was, let me know, and look forward to seeing you in the next video.